In the realm of finance, where razor-sharp minds and colossal fortunes collide, a new force is emerging, wielding unprecedented power to reshape the very fabric of the market. This force is not human, but rather a creation of our own ingenuity, artificial intelligence. We'll break it down step by step, from trading stocks to predicting market trends and managing portfolios. In this video, we'll explore the impact of artificial intelligence on financial markets. How is AI being used to trade stocks, predict market trends, and manage portfolios? Before starting the video, be sure to smash the like button and subscribe to never miss out on any of our videos. The rise of AI-driven trading. AI-driven trading has taken the financial markets by storm, revolutionizing the way trades are executed and decisions are made. By leveraging the immense processing power of machines, AI algorithms can analyze vast amounts of data in real time, identifying subtle patterns and anomalies that would be virtually impossible for humans to detect. AI's data crunching power helps it see patterns and trends we might miss. Imagine it as a crystal ball for finance. It predicts where the market is headed next, helping us make smarter decisions. Armed with this newfound insight, AI-driven trading algorithms can execute trades with unmatched speed and precision, capitalizing on fleeting market opportunities that would vanish in the blink of an eye. AI supercharges trading by making it lightning fast. It's like having a super smart robot that can buy and sell stocks faster than a blink. The stock market never sleeps, and AI keeps up around the corner. This razor-sharp efficiency has enabled AI-powered trading firms to achieve remarkable success, consistently outperforming their human counterparts. Research and analysis in AI. Artificial intelligence, AI, is rapidly transforming the way research and analysis is conducted in the financial markets. AI-powered tools can be used to automate tasks, analyze large datasets, and identify patterns that would be difficult or impossible for humans to detect. AI can be used to automate a wide range of tasks, such as data collection, data cleaning, and data analysis. This can free up researchers to focus on more strategic tasks, such as developing hypotheses and designing experiments. AI can be used to analyze large datasets that would be too large for humans to handle. This can be used to identify trends and patterns that would be difficult or impossible to see with the naked eye. AI's prowess in predicting market trends. Beyond its prowess in executing trades, AI is also proving to be a formidable tool for predicting market trends. By analyzing vast datasets of historical and real-time data, AI algorithms can identify subtle correlations and patterns that can be used to forecast future market movements. AI can sometimes make markets wild and unpredictable. Automated trading systems react super fast to news, causing market roller coasters. While no prediction is ever guaranteed to be accurate, AI-powered market forecasts have consistently outperformed traditional methods, providing investors with a valuable edge in navigating the ever-shifting tides of the financial markets. AI-powered portfolio management. In the realm of portfolio management, AI is being used to develop sophisticated systems that can automatically optimize asset allocation, minimize risk exposure, and maximize returns. By leveraging the power of machine learning, these systems can continuously learn and adapt, tailoring their investment strategies to the ever-changing market landscape. While human intuition and judgment still play a vital role in portfolio management, AI-powered systems are proving to be a valuable addition to the investment toolkit, consistently generating superior returns over the long term. AI uses robo-advisors to make your investments work for you. They customize your portfolio based on your goals and keep it on the right track. It's like having a financial GPS to reach your financial goals. The future of finance. The future of finance is inextricably linked to the rise of artificial intelligence, AI. AI is already having a profound impact on the financial services industry, and its influence is only going to grow in the years to come. Here are a few of the ways that AI is likely to shape the future of finance. AI-powered robo-advisors are already making it easier for people to invest their money without having to hire a human financial advisor. In the future, robo-advisors will become even more sophisticated, able to tailor investment portfolios to the individual needs of each client. AI can be used to provide personalized financial advice to people of all income levels. For example, AI-powered chatbots can answer questions about personal finance, and AI-powered algorithms can provide personalized recommendations for debt management, savings, and investment. AI algorithms can be programmed to mimic human behavior, making it virtually impossible to detect their presence in the market. By harnessing the power of AI, we can create a more efficient, transparent, and inclusive financial system that benefits all. AI can be used to manage risk in the financial services industry. For example, AI can be used to assess the creditworthiness of borrowers and to price insurance policies. AI can be used to develop new financial products and services. For example, AI can be used to create new types of investment vehicles and to develop new ways of managing financial risk. The future of finance is bright. It is a future where AI will play a major role in making financial services more accessible, affordable, and efficient. The impact of artificial intelligence, AI, on financial markets is profound and far-reaching. AI is transforming the way that financial markets operate, from the way that trades are executed to the way that risk is managed. AI is also being used to develop sophisticated portfolio management systems that can automatically optimize asset allocation, minimize risk exposure, and maximize returns. These systems can continuously learn and adapt, tailoring their investment strategies to the ever-changing market landscape. As AI continues to evolve, it is likely to play an even greater role in shaping the future of financial markets. Thank you for watching, and that was all for this video. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more content on finance. Stay tuned.